Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the JavaScript complete course. In this video we are going to talk about DOM traverser method in JavaScript. In previous video we have learned parent node and parent element. So in this video we are going to talk about children's and children nodes. So before jumping out to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload it. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, this is the previous exercise demo. So in this video, let me show you. In previous video we have talked about parent nodes. So instead of parent node, what I'm going to do, I'm going to say children, and when I save this, now let's right click, come to the inspect and click on a console here, and here you can see it will pop up that the main header has two children, which is heading and body. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this into outer, and now when I save this, here we go, it will also pop up. It has two child, which is heading 1, which is this part, and inner div. Here you can see inner element, inner div. And when I jump over to the HTML file, let me show you. Here you can see inside the outer div we have a h2 tag and inner element. So when I change this into inner and I save this, here you go, it will display that this inner element has 6 children, which are h2, div A, div B, C, D, and E. So hope you understand the use of a children. The children method will display the all childs of any single element. So this is the way of targeting all children of any single element. But if you want to target a particular child of an element, so you can easily target this by using the index number. So as you can see, the h2 is a 0 index and a is a index 1. So I'm going to pass a, and when I save this, it will display the element with its HTML tags. As you can see, complete element. And if I say 0, so the index 0 is h2, which is h2 element, which is the inner text. And also if you say 5, so this one is the E element. Here you can see this one. So hope you understand until this point. So now you understand how to get the value by using the children method, and now we're going to learn how to set the style by using this children method. So here we're going to say at the top we're going to use a document dot get element, and here we're going to specify the ID, and after that we are going to say children. So instead of children, we are going to specify the first index 1, the index number 1, and after that we are going to use the style and the background color, and here we're going to specify the background color that we want to add into our A element. So when I save this, here we go, the background color changes into the red color. So this is the way of setting the style into the specified element by using the children method. And also if you want to get the inner HTML of any element, you can also do this. And here let me get the inner HTML of index 0. So I'm going to pass here inner, and when I save this, now let's right click, come to the inspect and come to the console here. It says undefined. Let me check what happens. Alright, so I only said inner. Let me HTML, and when I save this, here we go, this is the inner HTML of 0 index. So this is the way of using the children. You can also add the style into your any specified element by using the children method, and you can also print all children of any single element. And the next we are going to learn about child node. Alright, so now let me remove this from here, everything, and I'm going to say child node. So the difference between these two is that this, let me add s. So excuse me, let me save this. So you can see, so the difference between children and child node is that the children will only print the element of the HTML, but the child node will print everything inside the specified element, whether it's element or a simple text. So as you can see here, let me show you the node list. Then you can see inside the inner we have a 6 element, but here by using the child nodes it will specify 13 length or 13 elements, because this will print all the text element tags inside this element. Not only the text, it will print everything inside, whether it's comment, enter, and so on. So as you can see in index 0 it has a text, in index 1 it has, you can see h2, and index 2 it also, index 2 it also print the text, because it will print has the enter as well. And let me show you, if I comment this element b, let me comment this, and when I save this, let me show you, as you can see in index, at index 4 it also print the text. Child node will print everything inside the selected element, whether it's simple text, element, enter, comment, free space, everything. And instead of printing like children method, the child nodes method also can print a single method by specified an index number. Let me show you. So what I'm going to say, I want to display the number 1, index number 1. So when I save this, here we go, it's inner, the inner text, h2 tag, and if I want to display 0, so it will display the text. It's a simple text here, you can see. And if I say display 2, so this one will be the, so the text, as you can see, when it display the text, this means that this is an enter. Save this, as you can see it will print this one as well. And also, like in children, you can also use the inner HTML method in this as well. So let me show you. So let's say inner, and I save this, here we go, it will display undefined, because number 4 will display as undefined, means that it is a simple enter you have pressed. And also you can add the background color into this, like you have added in the a element by using the children. And let me copy this from here, save this, and here I'm going to specify the one is correct. So when I save this, here we can see, in index 1 we have an inner text h2 tag, so it will text a background color, here you can see. So this is the uses of the children and child nodes. So hope you understand until this point. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel so that you will get the notification of my new video when I upload them.